Mistakes are proof that we are trying, and every mistake brings us one step closer to success. With this beautiful thought, today we are start here our question number 6 of worksheet 2 of chapter 3. Chapter name is Exponents and Radicals, class 8th DAV Maths. Here our question number 6 is verify that square bracket, then round bracket, 729 raised to power minus 5 upon 3, then close square bracket here, then the power is minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 729 in round bracket raised to power minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2. In this question, we have to prove that this our left hand side is equal to this right hand side. Now prove. This is our question here. So I write here answer. We know that I can also write this 729 as 9 raised to power 3. 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, this is also is equal to 729. Then the outer power minus 5 upon 3, then the square bracket is closed and the whole exponent is minus 1 upon 2. This is our left hand side. First we prove our left hand side, then we will prove our this right hand side. I can write here, this is our LHS and this is our RHS side. So here now I write the square bracket 9 raised to power 3. Here 9 raised to power 3 multiply by this minus 5 upon 3, then closure of this bigger bracket and whole exponent is minus 1 upon 2. This 3 cuts this 3. Now I have 9 raised to power this minus 5 here. And then this bracket and outside our power is minus 1 upon 2. Now I write this as this 9 I write as 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. 3 ka square is equal to 9. Outside minus 5. And here we can also write as 9 as 3 ka square is equal to, this is also is equal to 9. Now here minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2. Minus cancel this minus and it becomes 5 upon 2 here. This becomes 5 upon 2. When we multiply both these, it becomes 5 upon 2. Now 3 raised to power this 2 multiply by 5 upon 2. This 2 cuts this 2. Now we have 3 raised to power 5. Now we have to multiply 3 by 5 times. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, which is equal to 243. Our left hand side is equal to 243. Now we can solve here our right hand side. So our right hand side is 729 in the round bracket raised to power minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2. I write here 729. Firstly I solve the exponent here. Minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by this minus 1 upon 2. This minus cancel this minus. 5 ones are 5, 3 twos are 6. It becomes 5 upon 6 is our exponent here. Then is equal to, I write 729 as, to cut out this denominator by the power, I choose here number 3. And we know that 3 raised to power 6 means when we multiply 3 6 times, this is also is equal to 729 raised to power 5 upon 6. We can also write here 9, but we can't write because here the denominator is 6. we can solve, we can cut this denominator by this power. So I choose here another number except this 9 here. This then again is equal to 3 raised to power this 6 multiply by 5 upon 6. This 6 cuts this 6 which is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Here also 3 raised to power 5 which is we have to multiply here 3 by 5 times. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 which is equal to again 243. This is our LHS. This is our RHS. So here LHS means left hand side is equal to right hand side and both are equal to 243. This is our answer of this question. Here this is called square bracket. This is called square bracket. This is called round bracket. So this is a solution of these questions. Stay connected with us for more videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So that's all in today's video.